Hey, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are providing services is building AI agents, tech services and tech courses. Let's go into topic. I'm start one of the tech series, how to create agents by using n8n and automation tool. This is the day one introduction of n8n and let's go into topic n8n cookbook. Yeah, I just creating one documentation for n8n cookbook. So you need for the in this documentation, you just go description. I have mentioned the link. First topic is introduction. What is n8n? So think of n8n as the bridge between your all apps. Like you can automate the anything. For example, you can send one message to bulk customers. You can use n8n workflow. Why most of the people has using n8n? This is the free of cost tool. You can host on the your local host as well as 300 plus integrations and the customized code. If you want, like you can add any customized code, you can use file pricing for team, like minimum price you can use for your team. Second topic is core architecture. So in this core architecture has following the three simple parts: trigger, action, condition. So trigger means what start the workflow. For example, what a triggering he has executed, workflow he is executing. This is the one trigger. What the next workflow? Like you can see here, execute the workflow trigger. That means Gmail trigger. Like you can connect the two apps between the one trigger workflow. That means trigger. Second one is action. What happened next? After triggering, we have some data where you can update or where you can send. Okay, third one is the condition. Condition means this is the premium subscription task. Like it is when you to act. For example, after almost agent has completed, you can add some condition for where it's going to like a host on. That means this is the condition model. Now topic is what you can do with n8n. Most of the people has going to building like marketing tools, sales automation, customer support automation, data science automations. Let's go to fifth topic is how to start the n8n. There are two types of options. First one is the n8n cloud and second one is self-host. Most of the production grade application has going to use cloud-based n8n workflow. This is the only minimal setup as well as you can manage the everything on cloud. Perfect for beginners. You can start in $20 per month. Second option is self-host. It is fully controlled in yourself as well as you can run on your local machine. For example, do you know like Node.js server, Docker server has working on your local machine? You know that definitely you can use self-host for n8n. Next topic is understanding the nodes. So node means you are executing the one task. For example, you can see this is the like for example you can see here one new manual chart message. This is the one task. That means this is the one node agent. This is the second node. Like you can add the multiple nodes means you are executing the multiple tasks at a time. You can that like a triggering points. Every node has going to trigger it. Okay. Next topic is power of core node. There are four types of nodes. First one is edit field node. It can transfer the data to anywhere. Second one is code node. It is actually you can add the custom code for logic. Third one is HTTP node. You can connect the any API yourself. And fourth one is merge node. You can combine the data from multiple sources. Next topic is data flow. Data flow means you can add the JSON data on your custom code. For example, in JSON data means you are adding the multiple items. You can see I represent only one item like key and values. What the meaning key is? This is the variable data and value means this is the current data. So name is John, age is 25, role is tech. This is the one item. Like you can add the multiple items by using JSON data. Next topic is adding AI to your workflow. Like how to you're integrating the any LLM to your workflow by using n8n. You can see here, I just creating the simple AI automation in n8n. First, I creating the one node. This is the triggering node. Like I just connect the like some charts. Okay, and second one is I just creating the one agent. So that means one agent means this is the one node, but I have connected to so like LLM as well as memory item also. Okay, you can chart the anything the data has going to like sending and receiving on the user. Yeah, you can see last topic is real use cases for like an AI and most of the people has going to creating the email assistant and the content generation, data analytics agent and personal assistant. This is the introduction of the n8n. So next video I just creating one real-time agent. Wait for tomorrow.